Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to be doing arrows stroke ndomas for breakfast, a way to spice them up, just not eating them boiled. So stick around and see how that goes. Hey guys, we are going to be doing ndomas for breakfast, a way for spicing your ndomas for breakfast. Some ndomas are looking, they are boiled. I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll change it, change it. Trees inside of me, in this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow from the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love. So guys, I'm just going to undo this for you. Oh my god. Seeing eyes of mine. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you should try this sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. You should try it. Love, love, I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong. So guys, you can still do this to your cassavas, your sweet potatoes, and achieve the same. Trust me, they are worth it and they're delicious. They're just not the normal arrowroot cassavas or sweet potatoes you will have. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you're going to try it, not only on your ndomas, again the cassavas and sweet potatoes, and trust me, they are worth it. So remember to like, subscribe, share. Till next time, bye. I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did.